I have noticed a few lies and a few misbeliefs floating around in the cleaning community. In this video, I will get to the truth of the matter so that you can move your cleaning business forward faster. Let's get started. I'm Ilse Whiteman, known as the cleaning coach, and I run a successful cleaning business for 12 years. And now I help cleaning business owners do the same. It's very normal to feel overwhelmed, to feel lost and out of control while running your cleaning business, like you never have enough time. The problem is that people believe they need to compete on price with other cleaning companies. They need to be the same as other cleaning companies. If they don't get their bid right, the same as other cleaning companies, then they're not going to get more customers. And that their customers tell them that they're too expensive, so therefore they are too expensive and they can't see a way how to build their business past that stage. So today let's bust some of those cleaning business myths. Lie one is that people feel the need, or people believe that they need to charge just as much or just below or just higher than their competitors, and that they need to do the same as them to be able to compete. That is why, if you're a small cleaning business owner, you are struggling and you're still the grafter in your business. And this thinking is completely backwards. You need to change your payment structure. You should be doing things completely different to stand way out above your competitors, to have a competitive advantage. You will then attract quality customers that don't expect you to clean their house in 2 hours, that will appreciate you and will help you grow your business. And that will also help you attract quality staff members. Then we get to lie two. If you at the moment believe that you're very expensive and all your customers tell you that you're very expensive and you really just don't know a way out of this because upping your prices is not the way out, then I've got good news for you. A lot of people get stuck at this stage and they thoroughly believe that they can't charge anymore. You'll probably find that when you charge very low prices, you probably had a lot more customers coming in, and now you don't, because you're charging a lot higher. But it's not that you're charging a lot higher that's actually the problem. The problem is, if you still on the same payment structure you were at when you were charging lesser amounts of money, you're still attracting the customer that's not willing to pay for your higher cleaning service. And that's the only reason why you're not getting the amount of customers in that you used to at a lower rate. If you're still doing the same things you did when you charge less, then you will attract customers that's not willing to pay your prices. You need to up your payment structure and you need to build a brand and get known for a quality service and therefore attract high quality customers. Like Angie in my Facebook group, she was already charging quite high prices and she believed it wasn't possible. But 3 days into my Raise Your Prices system, she actually implemented the system, implemented what she learned, and she actually saw a result with her first customers straight away. And she couldn't believe how easy it was and how people commented how professional she was and they loved her for it. So lie 3, there is no such thing as a quality cleaner. Never find anybody good enough or that's reliable, and now you might feel that you can't trust the process or trust any other staff members because you've been let down in the past. You see, most people believe that all they need to do is stick it out there and they will get quality cleaning staff. And then they wonder why they struggle and they have a hard time getting really good, decent staff. The truth is, there are loads of really good quality cleaning staff out there. So if you're thinking of paying the minimum wage or very low wage, you will not be attracting the right quality staff member because they know their worth, they know their value, and therefore they will be expecting to have the wages that reflects that. Remember, these employees are priceless and they can either make or break your business. And if you just change your pricing structure, you can earn more and therefore you'll be able to pay your staff members a lot more, and there won't be such a dip in income when you first get your staff members in. And you have to build a brand that attracts high quality cleaning staff. And if you don't change your pricing structure, you will still be stuck in the same position, grafting day in and day out inside your business instead of working on your business, feeling lost and without any structure. So stop wasting time with customers that buy on price only and low quality staff. So now that we've busted those 3 common beliefs, it's your time to shine. And if you want to start attracting higher quality customers and stop grafting in your business, remember to download my free roadmap. The link will be below. And one more thing, if you want to connect with me and hundreds of cleaning business owners just like you, please remember to join my free cleaning business community private Facebook. And if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. And if you agree that it's time to stop grafting in your business, remember to comment down below cleaning boss. I'll see you inside the cleaning business community. Bye.